The last 3.5 years, the machine has worked flawlessly for us. There is other maintenance to do to the machine, but today we're only going to talk about what we do every 30 days to keep it operating. The first step in this maintenance process is that we clean the door and the glass on the door. We use an all-purpose cleaner and we wipe down the door, getting any lint off of the glass. Lint tends to bake onto it during the drying cycle, so we want to get all of that off, and we clean around the seal where the seal hits so it can maintain a watertight seal, no debris there. Also down here there's a little catch in the seal, and you want to check that for any debris. When I find things, I usually don't tell Lauren because it's my fault that they're in there. The next step in this routine is turning the machine on, and also selecting number 11 for your cycle. Number 11 is for silk, but we're not going to use it for silk today. We are simply going to use the first part of this cycle to fill the tub with water. Depending on the water pressure from the park you're connected to, this can take 2 to 4 times to fill the tub. We're going to press start. While the machine's filling with water, we're going to talk about why we do this routine maintenance. Unlike a traditional dryer where there's a lint trap, there is no lint trap on these washer-dryer combos. The lint simply goes down the drain. But inside the machine, the lint does build up. So what we're trying to do is agitate that lint and build up and get it to flush out the drain, keeping everything working properly. The water just stopped filling in the machine. Now we do need to get that water level about halfway up on that door. Reset procedure. Push and hold start until all the lights flash. We already have number 11 selected. We'll simply push start and let it run. Let it start the cycle over again. And remember, we're going to stop it once it stops filling with water. The water is approaching halfway of the drum. And you can see on the glass it's about halfway up, and also a reference point could be the back of the drum. It's about halfway up as well. This is perfect for what we're trying to accomplish. With the drum halfway full of water, it brings us back to the control panel. Once again, we're going to reset the machine by pushing and holding the start button until all the lights flash. Just like that. Now this time, instead of selecting number 11 again, we're going to go to number 2. Number 2 is for heavy cottons. And this step, we're going to turn the dryer on for 40 minutes. I find by turning the dryer on for 40 minutes, it'll blow that little bit of lint right out the exhaust. And we're simply going to push start and let it run through the cycle for heavy cottons, number 2. We're going to let the machine go through its cycle in number 2 for heavy cottons and that 40 minutes of dryer time. After that, we can go back to using the machine as normal until the next 30 days when we repeat this routine.